So does money feel welcome with you? This is a very short video on how I got rich and how you can do the same. It is going to be a few minutes long and you're going to be watching this to the entire end to get the full benefit out of it. And the method I used is going to be mentioned at the end of this video. If you would like to work with me, link is in the description. I also have a link for my workshop, which is next week. It is almost for free. Does money feel welcome with you? That's the question that started my journey towards really being wealthy from the inside out. And what we're talking about here on the channel is manifestation, is reality creation. It is how you align vibrationally with what you want. And by doing that, you can have everything you want in a short amount of time. You can have wealth, you can have health, you can have love. It is, however, not before you realize it is from within. And a lot of people, they start playing the within game, but they still somehow attach to the outside game. So that you have heard that before, they want the mirror to smile before they smile, right? They are they're telling themselves, I'm smiling, I'm smiling, I'm smiling. And then they're looking in the mirror just out of the corner to see, is that smiling? And in that moment, they're not smiling. So they're not seeing the reflection back because they keep on being something inside and then not being it inside. I started asking myself the question, does money feel welcome with me at this moment? And if it's health you want to increase in your life, if it's love you want to increase in your life, ask yourself this question in silence, meditate, and ask yourself, am I at this moment aligned with this? Does it feel welcome with me? Because it does not matter what exercises you do to manifest, affirmations, visualizations, scripting, if you do not align with it vibrationally. This is how the world is created. And everything you want to attract, you can attract it. You can have it. It is already yours if you enter into that timeline by shifting vibration. And this question is way more simple than all the exercises you can do because it allows you to not look at the exercise, not externalize your dream, but internalize it and see, so at this moment, do I feel rich? That is what that question means. Does money feel welcome with me? And you can recognize, so at this moment, do I feel rich? And if not, that is what needs to be changed, not your actions today. That is why I always say align before action. It's always, but who am I versus what am I doing? Or who am I versus what do I want? That desire obviously is always there. It's going to keep on being there. The billionaires I coach, the millionaires I coach, they still have desires and dreams, right? So it's not about that. It's about who are you performing that action that you think will lead to that outcome in your life. If you are the greatest rapper alive internally and you're going in that direction as well with your actions, then yes, you can be it. If you are the worst rapper internally, doing the same actions, that will lead you to be the worst rapper alive. That action is not helping you. Those stressful days, those over hours, or whatever it's called in English, it's about time that you align internally and you ask yourself, does money feel welcome with me at this moment? And it works with everything. Does health feel welcome with me? And I think it's a better wording than do I feel healthy? It's more a matter of, do I accept it? Do I embrace it? Can I allow myself to feel like that despite external world showing different? Because it is the internal world in you that needs to reflect the thing you want first. And it's the only true priority of your life. Everything you want is within reach. Set the coordinates right in your inner GPS, right? So let's end this video soon. So I'll give you the night routine. And this is from a lot of you guys read Neville. If you haven't read Neville Goddard, I can recommend it. Neville's night routine. A lot of people know it as SATS, a state akin to sleep, assuming the wish fulfilled before going off to sleep, which means that a lot of people, they find a visualization scene before going to bed and they repeat that scene before going to bed. Not realizing that that scene is supposed to move you. What works is the emotion is affecting your subconscious, affecting your system. So you have that state while sleeping for 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. The scene itself, it will disappear. So the scene without a recognition in the system that that is already yours, I would not go as far as say worthless, but that's not the intention. And it's more important not to visualize and find a feeling before going to sleep, the feeling of the wish fulfilled, right? Have it in your system. I feel wealthy at this moment. It does feel welcome. Good. Go to sleep. I do feel healthy at this moment. I recognize that is my reality. Go to sleep. Right? That's way more important than that scene. If that scene implies that you are not feeling like that. And if I would draw it on the iPad right now, I won't, because this video is already 7 minutes long, then I would have you and the visualization separate, right? And I would say to you, do not worry about this. Worry about this. You only have one state to fulfill inside yourself in this present moment. The kingdom of heaven is within you. As within, so without. So it's not you not having it, doing a visualization to get it. It's not you not being it, doing a visualization to maybe be it. It is you being it. And we are using this loop with this visualization to increase the level of you being. You can actually be without the visualization, but you can also not be it and visualize. And that's not the right thing to do, right? So ask yourself tonight and tomorrow morning and 3, 4, 5 times every day. Settle down before doing something. Set the intention of what are you going to do, how are you going to do it, but most importantly, who are you going to be? And you just close your eyes. Right now at this moment, does money feel welcome with me? Yes, it does. Get out of here.